Parents. My name is Dr. Steve Pohlen. I'm the Director of Learning and Technology at Benilde-St. Margaret's. And this video is to introduce you to the platform and the procedures we've created for the extended online learning at BSM. So let's get started. So every class, every teacher is going to use the same format during the extended online school. You'll notice there's the first page that's called Extended Online School, and right there are the directions for the day. And I'm going to go through the directions just so you know kind of what the expectations are for each day. So each day you're going to navigate to the appropriate tab on the left side of the screen. So for instance, this Wednesday and Thursday, March 18th and 19th, you'll click on this link. On that link, you're going to find a daily screencast. So every teacher is going to have a short screencast video where they're going to give you the instructions for the day and also any other important information. They may also do direct instruction. They might actually have a PowerPoint or something that they talk through to give you some content, may have you understand some content that's going to be related to the work that you're going to do later on. On that same page will be your daily work assignment. You'll also have a place where you have to verify your attendance. So you're going to click on a link and it'll have a Google form there that you'll put in your name, the period of the day, and the period of the day that you would normally take that class. And then there's a statement about the fact that you understand what it is that you need to take care of for that day. And then finally, every day, each teacher is going to have the option for you to go and talk to them live on a video conferencing feed. So look for their office hours on each page, and that'll tell you when they're going to be available for that. And we'll explain how you would navigate to that as well. So let's go to Wednesday and Thursday to see what that template looks like. So again, every teacher's daily thing is going to look like this. So on the left side, you'll have the daily screencast. This block will actually be replaced by the video. So the video that the teacher uploads will be in this block, and you'll be able to click on that and watch your teacher and hear your teacher talk about the day's work. Over here, the teachers are going to insert their office hours. So they might give you a single hour, 1 hour time block that you can come in and talk to them, or they might give you a couple of different half-hour times that they'll be available for you to come and see them. Related to this office hours, I'm just going to navigate over here to the left. There's a link here for office hours video conferencing. So depending on what hours they give you, you can navigate over here, click on the office hours link here, and what you'll notice is every teacher, every counselor, some others, Mr. J has a link here, the technology folks have a link here, Mr. Cheney and myself. So if you click on any one of these links, it'll take you right into the video conference. So for instance, let's say you have Miss Baker for science. You would click on her tab, and then you would click on this link on the right. In a second here, it says join now, and you'll be able to join her office hours, and you'll be able to see her and talk to her. Okay, so we're going to navigate back to Wednesday and Thursday tab. So that's the office hours, and then down below here is the daily work. And the daily work has two parts. One is that attendance verification piece. You would click on this link if it were live, and you'd click on this and you'd see a form that has just 3 questions. Like I said before, your name, the period, and verification that you know the work for the day. And then down below here will be the work for the day. The work for the day, whatever links or files or PowerPoints or videos, all those things will be located here, or the teacher will direct you to the links, direct you to the pages that you need to go to find them. So everyone will have this navigation with the dates and so forth, but they might also have other pages down below that they will direct you to in order to get the resources that you need. A summary of the work for the day will also be listed on the calendar, as is normal with teachers, even when we are face-to-face in school. One other link that I'll show you, there is a technology support link here on the left side. So if you click on that, there's the ability for you to fill out a form that will alert Mr. Cheney or myself to an issue that you might be having, whether it's a software issue or a navigation issue on the website, or maybe it's a hardware issue. Maybe your computer's not working anymore. We will have ways to help you in any of those situations. It would be best for you to fill out a ticket, because then Mr. Cheney and I can triage it to the right person that would be able to help you, and we would respond to these tickets as soon as we possibly can, as they arise. So fill out one of these tickets if you're having trouble either navigating the website, or your computer's not working or whatnot, and we'll let you know what is next to go. We might just email you back with a solution, or we might offer to meet you at one of those video conferencing rooms in order to help you out directly by being able to look at your screen, things like that. So this has been just a quick summary of the resources that are going to be standardized for extended online school. As always, feel free to reach out to either of the principals, or you can also reach out to Dr. Steve Pohlen, that's me, at 612-618-2419, or my email address is spohlen@bsmschool.org. Thank you. Bye.